Reason wanna two kola and you come back it your palapa. Oh, that could just see me Jordan. And me at the song, Kamisata. Ajaga. Everybody logo to my fucker. Sit tonight by the club, we go turn up. Everybody ready, pop, give it back on. Give it back on. I wash. And when you call search. I'm not gonna let anyone control. Anything where I want.
Hi guys, so it's Thursday today. I'm going to go to work in the next maybe 10 minutes, yes, but I just finished washing my hair. I had to wash my hair today and not wait tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm starting my weekend, Friday and Saturday, but tomorrow we have an appointment with a doctor, like our intending family doctor. Yeah, the end of the appointment tomorrow is going to determine that. Then on Saturday we're going to Edmonton. I want to go and see my small baby, and her parents are around as well. My mom's best friend. From my moving to Canada vlog, you would recognize her. Don't worry, I'll merge the two videos together when I see her. I've washed my hair and I'm so in love with it. Like, me washing my hair by myself is a big deal. I think I've mentioned it before that it's my mom that used to wash my hair whenever she comes to Ife. Because anytime I go to the salon, I am always so sad. They will take my time, and when I get back home, I will still see it the same way. It will not be dark like this. You'll be seeing different things on the roots. So I don't know, but I'm thinking that while I'm working, I might be twisting it one by one. I'll be palmering it myself, but I'm not sure. It all depends on my energy level. If not, I'll wait till tomorrow morning, spray it with water and oil so it's wet, then I'll do it, yeah, before the appointment. But it all depends on when I wake tomorrow morning as well. Well, that's all about that. See you guys later. It's my dada girl. Bye guys. So we're supposed to go to the hospital today. We have an appointment, or we had an appointment with a doctor that is supposed to be our intending family doctor. Like, today was supposed to be our first appointment, but guess what? When they called me yesterday to confirm if we were coming like as scheduled, I figured the lady that spoke to me when I booked the appointment only booked for me. Like, I thought you were coming as a family. Why did you book for me? I still don't understand. So she booked for only me. So the person that spoke to me yesterday was not like, oh, that they have to book all three of us into their system and everything. So we scheduled for next week, Friday. Yeah. So tomorrow we are going to Edmonton. My mom's best friend is around with her husband. You should remember my mom's best friend. I will decide the video that will make you remember. Yeah, so I'm seeing her tomorrow. Hey, that's true, guys. I think I've been updating you about my furniture situation. This furniture is yet to arrive. I am not understanding what is going on. I still don't get it. No message from the people. I mean, these scammers, but it's not possible for them to scam us now. Because, like, maybe when this video is going to get published, maybe it would have arrived. I don't know. I'll write it down if it gets here before this video. If it gets here while this video is getting published, yeah. Alright, so today yesterday I tried to retwist my hair. So while doing that, I was able to like read some comments. Did I say comments basically, or rather go through some people's Instagram pages and their YouTube channels, like people that do locks here. So I figured like the whole interlocking thing, it's like they say it's damaging to the hair, yeah. So I'm not going to be interlocking my hair. No, in Nigeria, I think I used to interlock it every 3 months or every 2 months. So I'm not going to be doing that to my hair. I don't have anybody to do so. I even planned to do it myself before. But now that I know that, okay, it's not like really advisable to do it so often, I am not going to be doing that to my hair. So I'm just going to learn how to be retwisting my hair. Not even all of the hair, majorly the roots, because I came across a lady that has like really bulky locks, and she was like, she only retwists the roots, she doesn't even do palm rolling and all of that. Oh, I'm recording in cinematic, so the focus is on my face. I'm like not showing my hair, but hey, Can you guys see? Inches, inches, baby. Oh god, inches. My hair is getting longer, so I decided that I am not going to be interlocking my hair and retwisting it that often. So I'm looking at maybe I can be retwisting like maybe twice in a year, and like I might just do the interlocking once, or I might just stop interlocking totally and just, where is that? Okay, I might just stop interlocking totally and just be retwisting. But I'm still doing my research, so I'm going to continue until I find what works best for me and like what is beneficial to my hair. Because I noticed that I had some like really thin ones. There's one particular one here there's like, this one, I don't think this one, there's one particular one here that's like really thin, and yeah, I think this one, if like the feel is like it's going to detach itself, and that's going to be like really sad because it's not even detached. I'm going to look for needle and thread and sew it back. It should detach itself. But yeah, so I'm going to remove the focus from myself so that you guys can see my hair. And hi guys, I'm done. Like I am done, and I'm so happy that I'm done. And like without rub, I was able to pull it off to an extent. So this is what I like. My head should be free. So I'm just going to apply I use this Let's Dread It beeswax for the waxing yesterday. Actually, most people that used to style it, they always style it immediately after palm so that like it will keep the locks in place. Guys, guess who called me? The furniture people, because I called them this morning and like they said I should drop my number, or the machine, the automated machine said I should drop my number and I will get the call back here, as the attendants were busy and stuff like that. So she called me back and she was like, the reason why there's a delay is because the particular arm that I ordered to be with my software is out of stock or something like that, and like it will be delivered next week, late next week. So I'm not even sure that the furniture is coming next week. She now said there's another option of like I changed the arm one, and or I retain my order and she refunds me I think $130 out of like my money just because of them shipments delay. I don't know if that's a thing for them. Good luck to them. That's my problem. My furniture should arrive. So I'm just going to ask Bobo now. Once I'm done with this hair, I'll ask him when he tells me which one we should go for, then I'll call them back. I'll let them know. But now that okay, if I change the arm, she said if I change the arm, it would ship on Monday. It's still the same next week. So I don't even know, but when I talk to Baba is in the room, I'll ask him what's up. So I'm using this beeswax as my fake edge control because I don't want to use, there's this edge control I have, it's black, and I feel like it leaves a residue. I'm not ready to figure that out because I'm not even ready to unpack what I've done or do anything extra. Yeah, I just remembered I want to apply mousse to it so it gives the texture a little bit of life. I'm just going to apply the mousse on it. This looks like whipped cream. Come and eat it. So I'm just going to apply this. That's my clothes. Wait for it to go off. Just for it to have small life. Yeah. Yesterday I dried it though. It's my hair dryer. So I can as well dry it with this mousse too, but I can leave the mousse. Yeah, I'm just going to blend all of this where they should be. Yes, I like my hair now. Like, I really don't like my hair flying all over the place. That is me. Hi, everyone. So we are on our way to Edmonton. I think I mentioned it earlier that we're going to Edmonton this Saturday. And yes, we are on our way now. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. Come along with me. So we are already in the city of Edmonton. So I'm just going to reach out to my baby Molos now. So let her know that we are about 8 minutes away from our hostel. our apartment or our units after. Adrian, you're up. Adrian was sleeping. He just woke up. This is the first time that we are experiencing traffic in Canada. No, the traffic is just like for 1 minute, but then even like at every stop, there's not always traffic. But this one, okay, Edmonton has welcomed us then. Our own city, there are not plenty cars like this all over. Like I think maybe everybody's not always going out at the same time. Maybe that's why. But like here, it's so busy. So it's been small. Hey Joe, say hi. See his mouth. I'm making a video of them. Just dropped my baby molos and we are heading home now. That's too much for that. Not even recording family time.
Turn left
So
on 11th Street Northwest.
There was a pass. The weather is actually dark because rain is falling. Like everywhere is dark, surprisingly, to an extent though, but not like super dark. But looks like to 7 in Nigeria. And this is what's the time now, Steph?
5:53.
This is just 5:53.
Turn left on
It's because of
87th
the
Avenue
rain.
Northwest.
Yeah. We have 2 hours, 20 minutes to go. He's out. Hello. How do you feel driving another round? Are you good?
Off and left.
Oh. Wow.
In 400
You're
meters,
so fine.
turn right onto 95 Avenue Northwest. Signs for Rossdale Road.
You say I should turn right.
They always say that when rain is falling and sun is shining, that means the lion is giving birth somewhere. Where is elephant? I don't know. On my own version is lion. But most people they used to say elephant. So I think that somebody's tiger and somebody's lion is giving birth right now, because what is this rain is like, it's actually a lot. And sun is shining. My skin is skinny, look. Mr. Adrian is about to do like that, but I still survey.
Trap, money. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say never leave beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need.
I'm just going to sleep. I have work tomorrow, so I have to sleep and wake up early. I'm going to eat jollof rice. Mommy gave us jollof rice, so we're just going to eat that now as dinner. Put all the stuff in the freezer and fridge the right places. There are a lot of things. You got chocolates. Well, I wasn't like that. We're the ones that came to greet you, and then we're the ones packing load up. Like, God. I'm so happy to have someone like her in my life. I'm so grateful. Like seeing my mommy. Yeah, life and direct. She was like a child does not grow so old in her mother's eyes, so I have to be spoiled as a baby girl. Oh, it was so much fun. Like, this is, I think, to 9 here. We stopped at the car park. We stopped at the car wash. Thank you so much for coming with us. We're back home from Edmonton. Another time we're going to go there to survey the town. It was really different. There were a lot of cars and all of that. It made sense. It was fun, like seeing a different place. See you guys later. Peace out. Somebody's breathing heavy. And I just finished skipping. Yeah, this morning before I got up from the bed, it was war. But I got up. I have to dress Adrian up for daycare in a few minutes. Then I'm going to prepare for my work in 2 hours. Yeah, because I'm working today. But I'm happy. Tomorrow is the start of my weekend.
I'm so happy. Like, I finally get to rest. So I'll also exercise tomorrow morning. That's if I don't watch movie throughout the night today. Because anytime it's almost my weekend, I'm almost excited. I'm always excited. I tend to watch TV or watch movie and now sleep late. And that'll be the end. And tomorrow morning I'll be struggling to wake up. But I even have to wake up early tomorrow. That's true. I'm going to the hospital tomorrow. I just remember. I'm going to the hospital to meet the family doctor. Yeah, I need to set an alarm for that. This one I already forgot. Okay, that's true. They might even call me today to just confirm that we are coming tomorrow. They might do that. Oh, my goodness. My girl is tired. Obviously, I can't sleep at work because I have to be active. So, see you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. So, you can see that I'm breathing hard. Actually, I and Papa just carried the seat. Finally, help me thank God. Our furniture has been delivered. Finally. So, probably do this after work because I just have about 5 minutes of this break now. Yeah. So, I think I have 5 minutes left in this particular break window. Yeah. I'm still breathing hard. I'm just gonna take a drink and go back to my desk. Yeah. So I'll just show you how it came in because I don't think I'll be able to read copy was setting it up. I'm not sure because Adriel will be back by then. And it's going to be all over the place. Help me thank God that's the purpose of this video because I know I've been talking about furniture not coming and finally it's here. Let's see. Okay, so this is the situation right now in this living room. So we have this box and we have this and this and this and that. So that's about 5 boxes. Hospital and we are 30 minutes early. This is 10:20. Let me just say 10:30. So I just waited till maybe like 10:45 with the car. Yeah, we'll go in. I totally forgot about my glasses. Though my glasses has an issue, but then I still managed it. I forgot it. But I'll be fine.